Today we're making bacon cheese smashburgers. I mean, look at these. These are better than any burger you're gonna order at any fast food place near you, guaranteed, if you make it like I do. And I'm gonna walk you through it step by step right now on Capital Kitchen.
Here are some of the main ingredients we're going to be using today for our bacon cheese smashburgers, and we're going to start with my favorite one.
We're gonna be using Capital thick cut bacon today. I like thick cut bacon for the bite that it has. I don't like skinny strips. I like thick, crispy pieces of bacon on my burger, and so that's what we're gonna go with today. We just wanna fry these up in a pan, and we're gonna use the leftover bacon fat in our pan to toast our burger buns. So we should get a nice sizzle here. Yeah, that's the sound you wanna hear. We want it to be crispy, not burnt. So we're gonna leave it on one side. We're not gonna flip it too soon. And once the whole bottom is nice and golden brown, that's when we give it a flip. We're gonna take that perfectly cooked bacon and we're just gonna set it aside to drain here over a paper towel. So we're gonna be using the bacon fat that we rendered out to toast our burger buns. I've got some pre-cut brioche buns here just from the store. You can make some yourself if you're feeling fancy, but I like to just use the ones I find at the store. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of that bacon fat. The transformation happens really, really quickly, so we just wanna keep an eye on it. And there we go. And I'm happy with that. So we're gonna do that for all our buns. We're gonna make some more bacon, and then we're gonna get to smashing our smash burgers. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take some ground beef. This is medium ground beef or regular ground beef, so you don't wanna be using lean or extra lean. The reason that you don't wanna use lean or extra lean beef is because the meat's too lean, it's gonna fall apart, it's gonna be dry, so you wanna go with about a 20% fat ratio. This beef happens to be a 22% fat ratio, so it's perfect for smash burgers. Not too much of a science here. We're gonna kind of split this in half. We're gonna split these in half, and then we're gonna split these in half. If you wanna have this be exact, then what I recommend doing is just using a kitchen scale, and you can weigh these out and just make sure they all weigh the exact same amount, but I'm okay with this. Now the technique here, what you wanna do is you wanna roll this into kind of a meatball, but you don't wanna press it too packed together. Just giving the lightest squeeze with our hands here. We wanna just kind of toss it back and forth each time, doing a very, very light squeeze until we end up with a ball shape. So something like this is gonna really be perfect for making our smash burgers. We don't need to have it be any tighter together than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all of these here. So there we go. Once we've got our pan smoking hot, we're gonna take our meat, set it down right in the middle. We're gonna go in with a piece of our parchment paper, lay it right over top like that, and we're gonna press down. I'm gonna do a little rocking motion to make sure all the sides are down. And then we're gonna lift it up just like that. And there is the basis of our smash burger. I'm gonna take some of these onions, just a few, sprinkle them on. The reason why we wanna put the onions on the raw side is because when we flip them, they're gonna grill and steam into the patty. So at the same time that we brown the meat, we're also gonna saute our onions. Give it a flip, and lay a piece of cheese down right away, just like that. And the reason we wanna use this American cheese here is because, in my opinion, it melts the best. It gives you that chewy, creamy, cheesy goodness that you're used to on a classic cheeseburger. We're then gonna scrape this up, and we're gonna bring this over to our double cheeseburger.
I think the ingredients like lettuce, tomato, onion are pretty self-explanatory, but there's one topping here that's really gonna take this thing to the next level.
Burger sauce. We're gonna be making burger sauce, and burger sauce is very simple. Burger sauce is everything that you would put on a burger, but all mixed up.
Now this is by no means a definitive recipe, but it's a great sauce that you can tweak to your liking as you see fit. I like to use about 2 parts mayo, 1 part each for ketchup and mustard, and a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it all up and spread it evenly on your top and bottom buns.
Oh, I've been looking forward to this all day. Let's give it a go. Cheers. Oh my God. Is it all over my face? This is the best burger I've ever made. Forget about it. That is one of the best hamburgers you're ever gonna eat. Whatever your favorite burger place is, I promise you, they're not making a better burger than that. I know it's a bold claim, but until you do it for yourself, you have no idea.
Man, this, we're gonna do a little sniff test. Looks like we got a good distribution of sauce here that you did here.
Eat it.
This is insane. How is this so good? Wow.
Do you think I was lying to people when I was saying that this is better than the nearest fast food place?
It's the most honest thing I've ever heard.
I love cheeseburgers so much. Cheeseburgers are one of those things where, like, if it wasn't so bad for me, I'd probably be eating them every day. Cheeseburgers are not something you should eat every day, but if you are gonna have them, you really should make them yourself. You're not gonna have a cheeseburger as good as this at any fast food place. I promise you that. You can put your favorite toppings on it. You can make it exactly how you want it. You can have as many or as few as you want, make them as big or as small as you want. It's the best way to do it, and it's easy. This really took no time at all. You take the meat, you press it down, you know, you hold it flat, it cooks, it's brown, it's good. You put it on a bun, you eat it. Amazing. If you guys like this recipe and you guys give it a go, which I highly, highly recommend that you do, let us know how it went. Leave us a comment or two, send us a photo, tell your friends. We really appreciate all the interactions and comments and likes and shares that you guys have been doing. It really helps us out, and it makes our day, not just for me, but for the entire team at Capital. It's really like the best part of making these videos, absolutely. So thank you for doing all of that, and again, let us know how it went. With that, I want to say thanks for watching. I've been your host, Alexander, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
How is this so good?